Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your study plan with Notion AI and LinkedIn updates, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening Notion on your computer or mobile device. Create a new page dedicated to your study plan. Title the page appropriately to reflect its purpose. In the new page, outline the key components of your study plan. Include sections for subjects, deadlines, and resources. Next, gather data from your LinkedIn profile that may enhance your study plan. Log into your LinkedIn account and navigate to your profile. Review your skills, endorsements, and any relevant coursework. Copy the relevant information to integrate into your Notion study plan. Switch back to Notion and create a section for skills and endorsements. Paste the LinkedIn information into the designated area. Now, analyze your current study materials and resources. Identify any gaps and needs based on the information you collected. Utilize Notion's database feature to organize your resources efficiently. Create a database for textbooks, articles, and online courses. Assign tags and categories to each resource for better filtering. Use the calendar feature in Notion to set deadlines and reminders. Input important dates, such as exams and project submissions. Revisit your LinkedIn profile and check for any recent updates. Incorporate new achievements, certifications, or skills into your Notion plan. Regularly update your study plan to reflect changes in your LinkedIn profile. Make use of Notion's collaboration feature if working with peers. Share your study plan with classmates for accountability. Finally, review your plan weekly to ensure you're on track and adjust as necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.